Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this project, I will present about implementation basic security Wi-Fi using WPA2 research key. We are from group 7. My name is Naffikri and my partner
Muhammad Harits Sofwan.
In this agenda, point 1, we presented about the difference of WAP, WPA, and WPA2 research key, or we can call it WPA2 PS key. And then point 2, we present about secure Wi-Fi with MAC address. For the next presentation of point 1, we call Harits.
In this presentation, I will present the difference of WAP, WPA, WPA2 research key. First, what is WAP? WAP is wired equivalent privacy. This is the first type of wireless security and is considered the less secure of all protocols. Although easy to hack, WAP is the most widely used in the world until now. The reason WAP is still used is usually because it is still using an older device. The network administrator has not changed the network default security, or the device does not support the newer WPA security system. And then, what is WPA? WPA is Wi-Fi protected access. WPA exists as a successor to WAP due to weakness of the system. WPA is designed with the encryption component, Temporal Key Integrity Protocol, or TKIP, which was later replaced by the Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES. However, it turns out that WPA still adopts some of the features of WAP, which is to make this protocol also considered insecure. And the last one is WPA2 preserved key. WPA2 is the successor to replace WPA. One of the most significant changes between WPA and WPA2 is the use of the AES and CCMP. CCMP is counter chipper mode with block, changing message authentication code protocol. Algorithm instead of TKIP. This is what makes WPA2 the most secure protocol compared to WPA and WAP. So, in this era, we use the WPA2 to secure the Wi-Fi security. The next presentation will be presented by my friends Naffikri.
Okay, in this point 2, I will share screen how to secure the Wi-Fi. Okay, before we go to the secure, we must go to the IP address of the Wi-Fi. In this case, my IP address is this is the display of the Wi-Fi IP address. When we install a router, username and password are still standard. For example, username admin and then password admin. In this case, I've changed the password to secure the Wi-Fi. Okay. This is display status when LAN IPv4, IPv6 VLAN seperti, and then etc. In this case, we go to the VLAN basic configuration to configuration the password and authentication and encryption mode. we we use WPA and WPA2 preserve key. Why? Because this is more more secure, more aman apa sih maksudnya?
Secure. Protect aja, protect.
ulang Riz. In this case, we use WPA or WPA2 preserve key because it's more protected. And then for the encryption mode, we use TKIP and IS for more protected. And then if there is a suspicious user, we can take the MAC address. We go to the user information. For the example, Oppo A9 2020 is a suspicious user. We go to the MAC address and then copy it. And then we block the MAC address for the user being able to use the internet. We go to the security and then we go to VLAN MAC filter configuration. And then in this display, we see the filter mode, blacklist. And then we go to the new, paste the MAC address of Oppo A9, and then we go to and then we apply the. After that, Oppo, the user suspicious, for example, Oppo is not can use the internet. For the example, my handphone can access the internet because we blacklist the MAC address. And then how to delete is check the box and then delete it. And then the Oppo A9 can use the internet again. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.